Hello again guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. So mobile gaming nowadays is becoming more and more popular, especially with cloud gaming services like xCloud and PS Now. The fact that I can play my favourite games straight from my mobile phone while tucked into bed is awesome. However, ensuring that you have the right controller on hand is absolutely essential so that you get the best gaming experience possible. For that reason, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Moga XP5-A Plus Bluetooth controller by PowerA, and we'll see if this device is really worth purchasing for your Android mobile phone. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then therefore consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, so first things first, let's check out the packaging. Now Moga have done a really nice job here. You get loads of information which include the Moga logo on front, as well as an image and name of the device. You also have a list of product features such as the integrated power bank built inside, mappable gaming buttons, and a phone clip. On the side, you have some product details which include specification and system requirements. Finally, towards the back, you have a product breakdown which we'll be going through in more detail later on, features and company information. Once opened, the first thing you will see is the XP5-A Plus Bluetooth controller, followed by a detachable phone clip to place your mobile device. You also have a USB-A to USB-C cable, which can also be used as a micro USB cable, which is super cool, as well as a micro USB to C cable, which again can be used as a micro USB cable, and one 2-meter USB cable to micro USB, which is used for charging, and finally, a user manual. In regards to the product breakdown, the device is super light and is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. Now, in case you haven't noticed already, the device looks very similar to the Xbox controller, with a few minor differences being the middle and back buttons. However, on hold, it actually feels a lot lighter. On front, you have the XYBA action buttons, as well as 2 thumbsticks and a directional keypad. In the middle, you have the menu button, which also powers the controller, as well as the start and select buttons. You also have a cool feature in the middle, which allows you to select the mode you would like to play in, being either wired or Bluetooth. Finally, you have an LED indicator light. Now towards the bottom, you have the Bluetooth and battery level indicator buttons, which connect to your mobile device and show the charge level remaining, and the mapping button. On top, similar to Xbox, you also have RB and LB buttons, as well as both trigger buttons. And finally, towards the back, you have the 2 mappable buttons. Now the phone clip is also built pretty well, although if you have a bigger phone like I do, then you may not actually need this connected to the controller. In my case, and for testing purposes, I'll be using my Samsung Galaxy Fold. Going back to the clip, you have the phone holder, which has a pretty decent extension to support most phones out there on the market, as well as a stand-in mechanism in case you wanted your phone separated from the controller and displayed like this. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Starting off with Bluetooth, ensure the device is powered by pressing the menu button, and then confirm the Bluetooth option is selected for connectivity. Hold the Bluetooth button until the LED indicator light starts blinking, and then navigate to your phone and enable Bluetooth. Confirm your Moga controller has been detected, and once done, select the device, wait for device pairing to complete, and you should be good to go from here. For wired connection, confirm the wired option on your controller is selected, and then insert the micro USB cable into your controller. Connect the second end into your mobile device, and once done, you should be good to go from here. Now, when it comes to mapping the 2 buttons on the back of your controller, Moga have made this process super simple here guys. You literally hold the mapping button on the bottom, and then wait for the LED indicator light to start blinking. From here, select the button you want to map, and then select the mappable button on the back. Once the LED light stops blinking, that should indicate the mapping is complete, and that's pretty much it guys. Very easy to do. Regarding the technical details, the controller has a 3000 mAh battery built inside, which can be used as a power bank, and has 4.2 Bluetooth low energy. The device can also support mobile phones up to 3.12 inches wide with a thickness of 0.3 inches. Finally, when it comes to system requirements, the controller can support Android OS 5.0 or later, and is compatible with Windows 10 and above. Now for some testing. In this part of the video, I'm just going to play a few games using the controller, and we'll see just how good this device really is. For my test cases, I'll be playing games from all different genres, being both cloud and Android based. Overall, the controller works really well, and if you come from an Xbox background, then this device should feel very familiar. As an Xbox user myself, I really do love the controller and button layout of this device, as well as the mappable buttons towards the back, which is definitely a plus. The built-in power bank feature is awesome, and I love that you can charge your phone simultaneously while gaming with your controller. The XP5 is very lightweight, and the option to select either Bluetooth or wired connection is definitely appreciated. Now, the main drawback of this device is that the controller will only work for Android and PC, meaning that iOS users will be missing out. Also, if you have a larger phone like I do, then you probably may not find any use for the clip provided inside, as it's just too small. However, drawbacks aside, the XP5-A Plus comes highly recommended, all for a great and affordable price. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Moga XP5-A Plus controller from Amazon for around £40, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. Are you a fan of mobile gaming? And is the Moga XP5-A Plus controller a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.